Alright, different video. I've decided to finally take the Fish Pro out and try and catch cutlass squid. I may or may not have already tried to do a little bit of footage, but with my lack of fishing ability, it wasn't worth posting. But I'm going to take Tyler out, take the big girl out, and see if we can get onto a couple of squid. As a minimum, I suppose. But the mountain of shit I've had to move just to get that ready. It's meant to be 34 today, so I'm already probably a bit late. But should be alright. Let's get out there. One, two, three. Jesus. It's heavier than I remember, but I feel like we're... So, what we've got to do is before we go out, we've got to start it. You know why you start it?
Get stuff out of engine.
Nope. We want it's better off in making sure it starts here than at the boat ramp. So jump in there and grab the key.
Jump in there? I'm not getting in there.
There's the key. You know where to plug that on, down under there, under the ball.
Oh. I bet our neighbours hate us.
Alright, we'll hit this button just once, just to turn the ignition on. It's a good sign, we've got power. It's always good. Now give it a push and hold until it starts. Push and hold till it starts. That will do. Now we know it starts, so we don't have to be at the boat ramp going ning 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 ning. Know what I mean? Right, we're on the road and we're going to Hastings boat ramp, but the weather is perfect and it's a Saturday morning. What is it? 8:40?
Yeah. No, actually 8:42.
8:42 to be precise. So the ramp's going to be hectic. I'm pretty confident. I've never launched at this ramp when it's been like perfect weather. I always tend to go out when it's shit house for some dumb reason. But we'll see what happens. It's nice and easy, nice and quick to launch the ski.
Yeah.
But the car park's always... What is that noise? Always the issue. Anyway, we'll see how we go, eh? Alright, so far she's looking pretty good. Hey boy?
Yeah.
All we need to do now is actually catch something.
Yeah.
Put our jackets on. The perfectly flat water, but it is low tide, and in Western Port, especially around Hastings here, it's almost like a river. So you've got to stay in the channel, which we will do. And we'll just slowly... Oh, someone's bogged as we speak. They're stuck. I think they're stuck there in the drink. I'll be watching my depth. squid, I think. Oh, it's okay. It's not as good as I hoped before. Right, make sure yours is in the water. Alright, squiddy squiddy. We're on the board, baby. Finally. It's a good squid. Tyler. Yeah, boy, we're in. Got one. Finally. Fucking finally. And we're hopefully going to drift straight back over the spot where I got that squid, which is just chilling in here, having a bit of a swim around. Let's get the live tank going. I don't often get a chance to use it, so I might as well use a live tank and keep it as fresh as possible. At least we've got some squid rings for dinner, but wouldn't mind a few more, to be honest. It doesn't go very far, one of them.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Two and a half, three.
We didn't record that.
Okay, I'll start again. Alright, we're probably at hour two and a half, something like that. And we've got one squid on board, which you would have seen on the Insta footage. Really trying to get the boy one, but it's just not going our way. We thought we'd go over and have a look for some whiting, didn't we? Until I realised we were in 300 ml of water and sucked sand, stones into the impeller. So not all that happy about that, but I reverse flushed it and we're running, so that's the main thing. But we got something, yeah?
Yeah.
Something's better than absolutely nothing, but there's a few people have tried to catch squid here and they've all just come, had no luck and buggered off. So the way I look at it is I'm the best. Because I didn't catch any, but I did. That makes sense, yeah? Anyway, this is our final drift and we're going to head in, go home, watch the ski, have some lunch. But yeah, we've done a fair few drifts. This is all our drift lines here. All these, that was all our, there we go. That's all our drift lines along the squid ground. And for pretty well donuts. Out there, 002, right there's where I got the first one, the only one. Anyway, it's nice and flat out here, which is good. Alright, 5 minutes.
Bye-bye.
5 minutes back to the boat ramp.
Bye.
Should still be swimming around in there. Yeah, he's loving life. He's pretty big. Not a bad size. Yeah.
Oh, I just got film on
Oh, look how dark he just went. Oh, he's suctioning to me. So, the way you dispatch these guys is a bit too lively at the moment. But,
Oh, what happened?
come closer, Ty.
It went all over me.
Ready? Give it one of these. See how it just went white?
Yeah.
Dead.
Oh.
That's it. That's all you gotta do to him. Nice and quick, just a karate chop back of the neck.
Good night.
There she go.
Well, Inky's died, unfortunately.
And now,
Our pet didn't last long.
he's still moving a bit. Touch him.
Hey, Inky, stop.
So can you get me a bag to put this in, Amber, and I'll skin it? Alright, what you do, clean these suckers, so easy. Upside down, you find like that backbone bit. And you slide your fingers in under it. Makes a few interesting noises. Like that. Something like that anyway. Can be a bit of a prick to get it started. It's called the quill. Right, you run your finger down there, give it a bit of that all the way around. Then you should be able to just go, and that's the quill, like the backboney bit. Now the guts, the ink sacs that are clear, usually black, but it's got all its ink, and that will be baked. And that will be dinner. Beautiful. Give it a wash and we're done. All ringed up, cleaned, soaking in just a little bit of milk, just for a bit, and then the only thing you ever need to put on this shit from Woolies. Obviously it's not hard to do a salt and pepper with a bit of flour or something, but I'm doing that because it's wicked. Yeah, another 6 of them would have been alright, but that'll do, a little taster.